lecture I'm going to discuss about how to connect Oracle database with Ruby. So first here opening the command prompt. If I write there Ruby minus minus version, then you can get here Ruby version 3.24 that already installed. If I write there gem, so gem is also working. The next is we need to install here the important package that's called OCI 8. So for this one, writing here gem, then install, right there Ruby minus OCI 8. So this package that's required. So one gem install. Here this is our detail. After that, let's click on this close. The next is creating here the new directory. So let's use there giving the name Ruby project. Ruby project. After that, open the Visual Studio Code. Let's use here the new open folder Ruby project. Inside there, going to create one new file app.ruby. The next is here inside, if I go on this extension, right there code runner. So this package you must install. Okay. So this, with the help of this, we can run C, C++, Java, including Ruby. So this you need to install. So this already is there. The next is here I already have the codes to get the Oracle data with the help of Ruby. So paste this one and here HR, give the password here localhost 1521 is the port number and here service name SID is free PDB1. After that here statement select start from employees. So selecting all the record from the employees that is stored into a statement, cursor con pass a statement, then that execute the cursor and this fetch here row. After that printing the row there. So the next is here I'm using the Oracle database version 23 AI. So here for 23 AI you can here Oracle database 23 free developer. So that must be run inside the Oracle VM VirtualBox. So here and connection details you can get here. This all connection details you can get here. So according to this you need to fill the detail. So here after the next is since code runner is already installed, so you need to right click then run code. So I did the mistake. We need to give here RB, not Ruby. So here let's there is a rename option is there. For Ruby we need to give the extension RB. Now save that, right click, run code. So now here it's run successfully and here you can see employees table record that's displaying. Let's use here a small tables, departments, Control S to save, run the code. So here you can see department tables record that's displaying. So this is the first row. Next is here, this is the second row and third row. After that here this displaying all the records from the departments. So this place you can select here only one department column. So let's give here department underscore ID. Now let's click on this run. So here department ID column That's so displaying there. Let's include here department name underscore name. Run the code. Then you can see here or department ID and the department name that's displayed there. So this is how we can easily connect Oracle database with Ruby. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next week. Thank you.